Running to the bathroom every 10 minutes, stomach churning, afraid to leave the house because of this sudden diarrhea. Some of the common things people do can actually make their diarrhea worse without them knowing about it. In this video, I'm going to tell you exact science-backed remedies that we as gastroenterologists recommend to help diarrhea resolve naturally, staying hydrated and avoiding dangerous complications. I have treated thousands of patients with digestive problems. In this video, I'll explain what are the red flag symptoms that you should not ignore when you have diarrhea, what are the foods that can help, what are the foods that you need to avoid. Firstly, let me talk about the biggest danger of acute diarrhea. Many people focus just on the loose motions, but as gastroenterologists, what we are more concerned is the dehydration effect. When diarrhea occurs, our body loses enormous amount of water and important electrolytes such as sodium, salt levels, potassium. This can lead to weakness, lightheaded feeling, dizziness, headaches, faster heart rate. In severe cases, they may end up coming into the hospital. So that's why the number one priority, irrespective of whatever caused the diarrhea, is hydration. Here is the mistake that many people make. They drink just plain water. Water, of course, is very important. Severe diarrhea causes also electrolyte loss. So drinking just water may not replace what your body actually needs. You need to use oral rehydration solution. You can purchase one from a nearby pharmacy or simply prepare at home. Just taking 1 liter of clean drinking water. Add 6 teaspoonfuls of sugar, half a teaspoonful of salt. Mix thoroughly until everything dissolves. This simple mixture can help replace both fluid as well as the electrolytes that you lose during this diarrheal episode. Measurement must be proper. Too much of salt, too much of sugar can also be harmful. Take small, frequent sips throughout the day. Many people feel nauseous, sickly, so taking smaller sips is better. The most important aspect is also eating the right food. Many people I see make this mistake of stopping eating completely in case it worsens their loose motions, or eating foods that can be irritating their gut. Neither is good. For most people with mild acute diarrhea, simple bland food you can tolerate, mostly rice-based diet. Also fruits like bananas, papaya, apples, oatmeal, simple vegetable soups, gentle on the stomach, may help provide the required energy while the body is kind of recovering. On the other hand, certain foods can actually worsen the problem. If you end up taking like fried items, foods that are already greasy, foods that are heavy, spicy, avoiding coffee and tea during these episodes of diarrhea is important because caffeine can also trigger the bowel movement. And these packed fruit juices, that some of them contain high amounts of sugar, this pulls additional water into the intestine and can make the diarrhea worse. Let me give you a simple surprising tip. Be careful with the dairy products. Many people temporarily have mild lactose intolerance during or immediately after an acute diarrheal illness. That means milk, ice cream, even to some extent too much of buttermilk or curd, yogurt can trigger sometimes bloating, gas and diarrhea. If you notice worsening symptoms after consuming dairy, stop it temporarily altogether or take it in smaller quantities until your gut gets back to normal. Many Indians think by taking more curd rice, more buttermilk, they recover better. In fact, it can be the opposite. This is where people get it wrong. One of the common questions I get asked is, what about probiotics? Do they help? There is scientific evidence that certain probiotic strains might reduce and also can speed up the recovery, shorten the duration of this certain infectious diarrhea. However, not all probiotics are the same. Different strains have different effects. They are not magic cure, but they are helpful in selected situations. If you do choose to use probiotics, look for products that have been scientifically tested rather than just buying some online supplements, probiotics that happen to have celebrities and influencers, endorsement or promotions with some catchy names. Scientific products don't have catchy names. Let us now talk about what not to do when you are suffering with acute diarrhea, loose motions. Many people start taking multiple supplements. They just want to speed up the recovery. Herbal mixtures, various online remedies, self-medicating with antibiotics all at once. This makes it difficult to know what is actually helping, what is actually causing more problem. I see patients taking a concoction of stuff to speed up the recovery from diarrhea. They want to travel or they have some other commitments, so they want quick recovery. So in this process, they make various mistakes, including unwanted antibiotics that can be actually counterproductive. So stick to the approach that is proven, scientific, time-tested. First thing is giving your body rest. When you're having multiple loose motions, try and stay off work. Give your body the rest. Ensure you're getting adequate amount of water, hydration, appropriate nutrition, some rice-based diet, soups, easily digestible homemade foods, and also monitor the symptoms. Remember, most cases of acute diarrhea usually is viral. They improve on their own within a few days, just like how your cold, sore throats are usually viral and get better. Not all diarrhea, however, is harmless. This is where it's important you need to look for these red flag signs. So if you experience any of these, blood in the stool being very black, tarry, high temperature, fever, pain in the abdomen that is not settling or the pain is very intense, persistent vomiting, signs of dehydration, when you stand up you're feeling lightheaded, you feel dizzy, feeling that you might pass out, headaches that are not settling, confused, feeling irritable. If you're not able to keep liquids down because of continuous vomiting, diarrhea, you should definitely seek urgent medical help. Diarrhea lasting for several days without improvement is also not something that one should ignore. Children, older adults, elderly people, women who are pregnant, or people who have some immune system problems already, such people, even acute diarrhea has to be taken more seriously. Now, let's put everything into one simple recovery plan. Firstly, hydration aggressively but also intelligently. You need to replace both fluids as well as electrolytes by adding some salt and sugar. Eating bland, easily digestible food, homemade, more of a rice-based diet, soups. Step 3 would be to cut out anything that is fried, anything heavy on the stomach. Cut out caffeine, coffee, tea, no alcohol during recovery. And consider certain probiotics if required, or you can take help of your doctor. Most importantly, monitor for any warning signs. If things are getting worse, ensure that you adequately rest. Your body can repair and recover in a timely manner. Most cases of diarrhea improve just with these simple steps. Paying attention to hydration, electrolytes is very important, and ignoring the warning signs, this is the danger. So if you are in doubt, you seek medical help. If you found this video helpful, please share and pass it on to others who might benefit. Please do subscribe to this educational channel for science-based digestive health videos. Thank you.